my name is Tim, Whiskey Alpha 8 Mike Delta. Welcome to this first in a series of videos on using the ccLogger software. The first thing I want to point out is that the 3905 Century Club does not dictate how or where you log the contacts you make on our nets. ccLogger, here naturally referred to as ccLogger, and NetLogger, are the two most common programs used, followed by a few other computerized logging programs and even paper logging. The bottom line is that you should use what works for you and what you're comfortable with. We are hoping that this and subsequent videos will raise your level of comfort with using ccLogger. ccLogger and NetLogger are similar in the way they let us see which frequency our nets are held on, see who is on our nets, and then logging of our contacts. Both are good at allowing you to type in your signal reports and log a contact with a button or mouse click. You can create and use an ADIF file generated from NetLogger to send electronic images through QuickQSL to your contacts. ccLogger can send electronic QSLs via its own image generator or through QuickQSL at your choosing. This is pretty much where ccLogger and NetLogger part ways in terms of features. When electronic QSLs are sent through ccLogger, the sent column of the logbook automatically notes that QSL is sent. Any electronic QuickQSL images or ccLogger QSL images received can be saved into a specific file folder, and a module of the ccLogger program can be used to match those electronic QSLs with their QSO. Attach the QSL image to the QSO and note the QSLs received in the logbook. Any paper QSLs received can be scanned and placed in a folder for manual matching to the QSO. Additionally, there is an automated method of pulling eQSL images into ccLogger for manual matching in a process similar to the scanned QSLs. Manual matching, called cataloging, also attaches the image to the QSO and marks the QSL as received in the logbook. In all cases, the QSL image becomes a permanent part of the QSO, and with diligent data backups, you should never have to worry about losing or misplacing a QSL again. ccLogger then provides a method of sorting these QSLs and attaching them to the various awards the 3905 Century Club offers. When you have completed an award, ccLogger will generate the award application and associated data files for sending to your area awards manager. Further, the process of sending that email is also handled with the click of a button. This allows you more time to get on the air and not worry about sorting thousands of QSL cards for your awards. Are you missing a card you really need? As long as the operator has a good email on QRZ, there is a function that allows you to send a custom-generated email to that operator and kindly remind them that you are still looking for a card. ccLogger contains a robust report generator with many preset reports available and the ability to provide custom reports for your use. An example is the Baker's Dozen preprocessor. This report searches the database and lists out by call sign all of the operators that you have had 10 or more contacts with. Let me move over to the other screen and show you what that looks like. All right, on the screen now you see a report, and it lists by call sign all of the operators that I've had more than 10 QSOs with. When you have a question, and you will, all you need to do is dial the phone and live support is available to you. If you should have any questions about ccLogger, please contact me, Whiskey Alpha 8 Mike Delta, or Dean, Kilo Lima 7 Oscar Romeo, and we will be happy to demonstrate some of the features. Both of our email addresses are good in QRZ. That concludes this first video, and I hope to see you in some future videos where we dive a little bit more into some of the functions that ccLogger provides. Thanks for your time.